Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet these super easy, super fast, tiny crochet hearts. So you can use any yarn and any hook size to make these hearts. Please note the thicker the yarn and the bigger the hook size, the larger your heart will be. So with your yarn, we're going to form a magic ring. Now, if you don't know how to do a magic ring, I do have a tutorial with a slow-mo version on my channel, which I've linked to in the description box below. So from your magic ring, we're going to go ahead and chain 2. Then working into the magic ring, we're going to place 3 treble stitches. These are American term trebles, so we yarn over twice before you go into the ring. Then you're going to pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's your first treble done. We need 2 more of those. Then we're going to place 3 double crochet stitches into the ring. So a double crochet is just yarn over once, chain 1 and place a treble back into the ring. Chain 1. Now we're going to work the other side of the heart. So 3 double crochet stitches back into that ring. If you're running out of room, you can scooch your stitches around. Then place 3 trebles, which is yarn over twice, back into that ring. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2. And now we're going to slip stitch into the ring. Now make sure you are keeping this tail. You might want to close it slightly. Slip stitch. Chain 1. Then you can cut your yarn, leaving a decent length to weave in afterwards. Pull your hook up and through. Then close your magic ring nice and tight. Then this tail you just snipped off, pull that nice and tight. And your crochet heart is complete. Now you can go ahead and weave in both those ends. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Bye.